What is up, everybody? I'm going to do a little video today and I'm going to call this a pivotal moment for my Haro Sport 2017 Teal Lineage. Why do I call it a pivotal moment? Well, let me show you. If you'll notice on the bike, here is my old Haro Lineage Seat, and this is a tripod, this is the tripod version, as you can see there, and the fluted tripod seat post. Now this Lineage seat looks freaking dope. I love the design, the shape, leather, but it's hard as a freaking rock. I gotta tell you, this is not a comfortable seat if you actually ride. It looks cool, yes. Comfortable, no. So I went ahead. Now I like the white seat, but I found a 2018 pivotal Haro Lineage seat. Good, pivotal. And this seat is a lot chunkier, squishier than the previous. So you're getting more comfort. Now, is the actual design, it's a little more clunky and fatter. I like the design of the white one better, but more comfort. And I went ahead with another S&M long john seat post. I'm a sticker bomb type person, so I'm gonna make another video. I will be sticker bombing this one. I was gonna buy a black one, but I figured, hey, I could just paint it black. If I want to go chrome, keep chrome. So I'm gonna sticker bomb this. So yeah, that's my pivotal update for my 2017 Lineage Sport. I got another video coming on my bars. I'm going to post it up here in a minute. Peace out.